Our solar system is amazing. It's like a big family with the sun at the center. Everything goes around the sun, held by its gravity. We have 8 planets in our solar system, and each planet is special and different. Some are rocky and some are made of gas, but that's not all. We also have dwarf planets. These are smaller than planets, but still important. And don't forget about moons, comets, asteroids, and lots of ice. Our solar system is full of exciting things. The first 4 planets are rocky. They are like Earth in some ways. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the Sun. It's very hot there. Venus is very bright and hot too. It has a thick atmosphere that traps heat. Earth is our home. It's the only planet we know of with life. It's also called the blue planet because of all the water. Mars is the red planet. It's cold and dusty, but scientists think it might have had life a long time ago. The next 4 planets are gas giants. They are much bigger than the rocky planets. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. It's a giant ball of gas with a big red spot, which is actually a storm. Saturn is famous for its rings. The rings are made of ice and rock. Saturn is also very light for its size. Uranus is a blue-green planet that spins on its side. It's a very strange and interesting planet. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It's a very cold and windy planet. Dwarf planets are smaller than planets, but they're still important. They orbit the Sun just like the planets do. Pluto used to be a planet, but now it's a dwarf planet. It's very cold and far away. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Haumea, Makemake, and Eris are other dwarf planets that are even farther away than Pluto. Section 5. Moons, the faithful companions. Many planets have moons. Moons are like smaller companions that orbit the planets. Earth has 1 moon, and it's very important to us. It controls the tides and lights up our night sky. Saturn has the most moons of any planet in our solar system. It has more than 80 moons. Jupiter has more than 70 moons. One of its moons, Europa, might even have an ocean under its icy surface. Section 6. Comets, dirty snowballs of space. Comets are like dirty snowballs. They are made of ice, dust, and rock. When comets get close to the Sun, they heat up and leave a tail of gas and dust. Halley's Comet is a famous comet that we can see from Earth every 76 years. Comets are leftovers from the early solar system, so they can tell us a lot about how our solar system formed. Section 7 are asteroids and space rocks leftovers from the beginning. Asteroids are rocky bodies that orbit the Sun. They are like mini planets. Most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Sometimes asteroids crash into planets and moons. These impacts can cause big craters. Scientists believe that an asteroid impact might have wiped out the dinosaurs on Earth millions of years ago. Section 8. Ice in space. More than just frozen water. Ice is found all over our solar system, not just on Earth. Comets are mostly made of ice, and many moons have icy surfaces. Some scientists think that water on Earth might have come from comets and asteroids that crashed into our planet long ago. Ice in space is important for understanding the history of our solar system and the potential for life on other worlds. Section 9. Our place in the cosmos. Our solar system is just one tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy, and the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. We are still learning about our solar system and all its wonders. There is so much more to explore and discover.